What's good, family? How's everybody doing today on this Tuesday evening? Hopefully everybody's doing wonderfully blessed, had a great day. Most importantly, hopefully everybody had a safe day wherever you're chilling at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy Hamid G. I'm that guy on YouTube. Yep, that's me, guys. For those of you that don't know, I'm the guy that brings developing and breaking news in the wild, wild west of crypto land. Guys, on my channel, I break you guys off Doge and overall crypto news to keep you guys informed in the latest and greatest. Why? So you don't get left behind. I am trying to become a crypto millionaire, guys, within the next couple years, and I hope my viewers and subscribers do as well. That's why I try to keep you guys on point and up on current events. Now, none of this is ever financial advice, guys. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions, so never take it as financial advice. All right, guys. So we got a lot to cover, so let's just dive right into it, baby. All right, guys, we're up 0.25% for Bitcoin. We're sitting at 45,702 with 50 cents. Not too shabby since we have this stupid crypto tax and an infrastructure bill. What the heck is crypto tax doing an infrastructure bill, guys? You tell me. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about that. You know what I mean? But regardless, guys, Bitcoin continues to smash, right? Keeps in the overall crypto markets, just shrugged it off like it ain't no thing but a chicken wing, guys. Because Bitcoin is continuously staying at 45 and above, which is good, right? We are on the next leg, guys, up on this bull run. But all right, guys, enough of Bitcoin for now. Let's dive into the main superstar. That is Doge. We're sitting at 26 cents right now, guys. We are at 3.58% for the day. We had a 24-hour low, guys, of 25 cents and a 24-hour high of 28 cents. Right, pretty much the same as yesterday, guys. Our 24-hour high yesterday was at 28 cents. Our market cap, guys, is sitting at 34.71 billion. Pretty much the same as it was yesterday. Now, as far as our volume goes, guys, our volume has gone up by 1 billion. Yesterday we were at like 3.4 billion, and today we're sitting at 4.72 billion. So that's looking good, right? All right, enough of the stats. Now let's just briefly dive into the charts and see what's going on with the charts on the levels of resistance and support. You know, I always like to show you guys the charts real quick. So obviously, guys, I won't be too quick. This is a daily chart. That's what I always look at. Okay, guys, you see the red line down below? That is called the level of support. That is the 50-day moving average. That was at one time our level of resistance, but we flipped the trend, which is a bullish technical, and now it has become our support. All right, guys, and that is at 22 cents. Now, as you can see, the red line above, that's the 100-day moving average, which is currently our resistance at 30 cents. So we're 2 cents away from it, guys. And like I said earlier, we have been trading plus or minus about 3 cents, right? So we'll come as low as about 25 cents, and then we'll go all the way up to 28 cents and dip down all the way to 25, and in between that range, right? We've been trading in that tight range for about 4 days now, and as you've seen previously, we were trading in a tight range plus or minus 2 cents for about 2 weeks, and then we exploded up to 28 cents, right, guys? So I think we're getting primed for our next leg up, right, on shooting to the moon. But all right, guys, that's what I have for the charts. I like to keep it pretty beginner friendly and pretty basic and simple when it comes to the charts. Now let's get into some fundamentals here now, guys. All right, now it says Dogecoin rising faster than market price, up 41% in a week. What? Right, I thought we were going to go down to 5 cents. That's what a lot of these haters were saying. Oh, it's going down to a penny, down to 5 cents. Ha ha. Shut up. Anyways, the meme dream is alive and well for Doge investors this week, including a 12% pop in the coin's price today alone. Goes on to say, Dogecoin started the year at less than a penny per coin, surged to an all-time high above 73 in early May, and then lost nearly 78% of its value in the weeks that followed. It's been a wild 2021 for the leading meme coin, but right now Doge is roaring again. All right, guys, yes, we hit an all-time high of almost 74 cents. Yes, we dipped 78%, but if in doubt, zoom out, guys. Since if you would have invested in January and you held all the way through the all-time high, and you continue to hodl even all the way till now, you would still be sitting like in, I think it's 3,840% gains, regardless of dipping 78%. See, they don't put that in there, right? They just like to put the negative stuff. So I wanted to bring the positive and let you know about that. You know what I mean? So you would still be in major gains right now, positive and major profit right now, guys, regardless of it dipping. It said, amidst the wider cryptocurrency surge that saw the market cap top 2 trillion in the total capitalizations for the first time since May, the especially volatile Dogecoin is riding the upward wave faster than most of its competitors. At a current price of just under 28 cents per coin, according to CoinGecko, Doge is up more than 12% over the past 24 hours. Guys, we continue to be smashing up. Sorry about the glare, guys. The sun is just, I've been trying to turn. I don't know if you guys noticed, right? It keeps messing me up. Even so, Dogecoin is still well off of its all-time high price, nearly 63% lower as of this writing. See, guys, how they always put that, right? But they don't put what it's, the percentage of what it's gained since then, right? They'll put what it's lost, not what some articles do, but a lot of them choose not to put it in there. It says that's a far larger discrepancy than either Bitcoin or Ethereum when compared to their retrospective peaks. But Dogecoin has consistently swung harder on momentum than its competitors. It says Doge crashed harder than most coins when the overall market tanked in May, but also is seeing a larger percentage swings on the way back up in recent weeks. Exactly, guys. So, you know what I mean? We went up hard, but we fell hard. But now we're going back up even harder, right, guys? And that's just the way it goes. When you go parabolic, you come down just as fast. But when you retrace and you go back up again, you go back up even faster. So what they are saying is pretty true. It says both Dogecoin and fellow Doge-inspired Ethereum meme coin Shiba were in the midst of a similar upward swings as of Monday, with Dogecoin up 27% on the week at that point, and Shiba was up 24%. Dogecoin has surged significantly further since then, however, and Shiba hasn't kept pace. All right, guys, it talks about Cardano and all that, but that's what I have there. Now let's get into some more positive news. All right, guys, now we have where are we at here? Right here we go. Come on, baby, where you at? Load up. All right, here we go. It says running with the big dogs. It says chain analysts to cover Dogecoin in its reports. Why? Because of high demand, guys. You know what I mean? That's why they're starting to wanting to list Dogecoin now. Okay, now it says blockchain intelligence company Chain Analyst has announced that going forward, its reporting will also include Dogecoin coverage. Yeah, as per announced on Chain Analyst's website, the leading blockchain intelligence company now includes Dogecoin in its reports. Lately, the coin has become very popular, and it is now accounts for the 4th largest monthly trading volume in the cryptocurrency market. The 4th, guys. Not too bad. It says, Chain Analyst is excited to announce that we now cover the world's premier meme coin, Dogecoin. Once considered nothing more than a light-hearted joke, Dogecoin has become one of the world's most popular cryptos assets, thanks to in part of cheerleaders like Elon Musk and other influential online figures. But that's not the only reason why. Yes, that is a big reason, guys, but that's not the only reason. It says, however, with such a tremendous increase in popularity, it is no surprise that the cryptocurrency is being increasingly used for criminal activity. Yeah, so what? But so is cash. So are dollars, guys. Back in May, someone scammed GOIN and access to 20 verified Twitter accounts and promoted a giveaway from the Tesla CEO. This scam that used Elon Musk's image promised users a 10x return on any crypto they sent to given addresses. All right, guys, yeah, it is what it is. That's just part of anything, right, guys? Even in regular freaking fiat. It says for those reasons, Dogecoin has become the most frequently requested new coin for Chain Analysts to cover from our customers in both the public and private sectors, explains the company. Thus, Chain Analysts insights related to the movement of cryptocurrencies will also include Doge from now onward. All right, guys. Now that's a good thing too, guys. You know why? Because you get more inside, more info. You know what I mean? For Doge, right? If you go on their website and go look up Doge, right? All right. Now I got one more article here, right, for some Doge news. Then we'll get into some overall crypto news. Right? It's always good to stay up on the markets as well, not just on Doge. All right. Come on, baby, load up. Let's go. It says top analyst predicts parabolic rally for one emerging altcoin. It says Dogecoin will outperform Bitcoin. All right, it says a widely followed crypto analyst and influencer says one emerging altcoin is about to explode to a new all-time high. The prominent trader known as the crypto dog tells his 500 Twitter followers that the decentralized finance payment network Terra Luna has been on a strong upward trend since July and is currently accelerating en route to fresh highs. All right, and then it says, let's get into right here about Dogecoin, guys. Come on. All right. It says the crypto dog also thinks that meme crypto asset Dogecoin is supposed to outperform Bitcoin. That is a pretty bold statement, guys. It says, for what it's worth, I think Doge outperforms from here. I like the Doge, he says. Then it goes on to say that Crypto Doge adds that he is seeing a positive technical signal that could potentially ignite the next leg up on Dogecoin's rally. And we have a bull flag that they said on the 13th is supposed to break out, guys. I checked my video yesterday, right? I talked about it. It says, I like the volume coming in earlier. Think we will manage to find liquidity higher. Dogecoin is trading at about 27 cents at the time of writing, up nearly 40% in the past week. According to CoinGecko, Bitcoin is trading at 46,271 and is up more than 26% or 20% in the past 7 days. Oh, that's a lot to say, guys. You know what I mean? He's saying, this guy's saying that it's going to outperform Bitcoin. I wouldn't be surprised, man. We've been on a tear lately, guys, and we have formed a bull flag. Like I said, check my video yesterday. I talked about it then. And they say on the 13th of this month, right, we're supposed to be breaking out. So we'll see. All right, guys. Now, as far as Doge news goes, that's as far as what I had. Now let's dive into some overall Bitcoin news, right, guys, and crypto news, right? Because it's always good to get into all of that. Now, all of this is going to have relates to each other, right, guys? So now it says crypto markets top 2 trillion again, with Bitcoin, Ethereum leading the way. Now, those of you guys that know, we were over $2 trillion, guys, when we had that. But when we had that crash, when Elon said that he wasn't going to accept Bitcoin anymore, right? Then we tanked, right? We lost, I think, 1.2 trillion in a day or something. But now, and we were at 2 trillion at that time. So now we're back at 2 trillions, right, guys? It says Bitcoin and Ethereum are approaching 3-month highs. It says as Bitcoin and Ethereum stage a comeback, the market capitalization of the entire crypto market crawled back above 2 trillion today for the first time since May 19th, according to data from CoinGecko. All right, guys, this is in Decrypt if you want to check it out. I just wanted to briefly touch on that, right, guys, and show you guys that, guys, we're back, baby. In my opinion, I think the bull run is back. It never went away, right, guys? But it just goes to show you that the interest is still there and money is piling in, and that's what these next articles are going to be about, showing you on how institutions are still majorly investing in Bitcoin. And like I say all the time, what's good for Bitcoin is good for Dogecoin, guys, and the overall markets. All right, so right here, let's go right here. It says Mass Mutual doubles down by partnering with NYDIG to grant institutions access to Bitcoin. Keyword, institutions. It says U.S. insurance giant Mass Mutual has partnered with New York DIG to grant institutional investors access to Bitcoin. The Massachusetts Mutual Life Insurance Company has doubled down on its Bitcoin endeavors through a partnership with the New York Digital Investment Group. Both parties aim to enable institutional clients to ensure behemoth to receive Bitcoin exposure. All right, guys. Now, for those of you that don't know, New York DIG is a very big company, right, that has exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, a couple other altcoins, right, guys? But they cater to institutions, guys, right? The people with big money. And we need big money. I mean, I hate to say it, but we need institutions. It sucks because they can kind of manipulate the money or the market like they do in Wall Street. But nonetheless, it does help out the crypto markets, right? Because they have a lot of money. They have deep pockets. All right, guys. So here we go. Now here, talking about, oh, man, where did you go? Don't you do that to me. Come on, baby, right here. Now, here we go. It says digital insurer MetroMine follows through with 1 million Bitcoin purchase. It says San Francisco-based technology firm MetroFarm has used 10% of the funds it previously said it would be allocated towards crypto to buy Bitcoin. Now, this is another institutional company, guys. A company that has a lot of money, right, guys? So the point I'm making is the interest from institutional investors has gone nowhere, guys. Now that Bitcoin is back shooting up again, now you're going to see it consistently, right? You're going to hear about it more. Like, look at all the positive news that is coming out surrounding Bitcoin, Dogecoin, right? There was a lot of negative news prior to, you know, when Bitcoin was in the lower 30s, when it was at 29, oh, bull runs over, yada, yada, yada. All you hearing was a bad news about Dogecoin, but now you're hearing nothing but positive stuff. Not nothing, but you're hearing a lot more positive than you are negative about Dogecoin and overall crypto markets. You know what I'm saying, guys? So, all right, here go. We got one more article here, guys. Now, all these articles, they all have something in common. What is that? Let me know down in the comments. Now, it's basically, obviously, guys, I'm talking about institutions, big money, right? All this news that I'm sharing with you guys. It says multi-billion-dollar wealth manager Neuberg Berman adds exposure to Bitcoin Ethereum. It says the private investment manager firm with 402 billion in assets under management, Neuberg Berman Group LLC, has revealed the company now has active exposure to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. And who knows, guys, next you know it could be Dogecoin. The multi-billion-dollar asset manager disclosed the information in a Form 497 in order to comply with the Securities and Exchange Commission Edgar's filing system. All right, guys, now, like I said, you still have institutions piling into Dogecoin. Why? Because they see, guys, that there is major money to be made. That's the bottom line on why we invest, right? It's to make money. All right, guys, well, this is what your boy had for you on this Tuesday evening. Hopefully it was informative, useful, insightful. If it was, maybe consider to like and subscribe, but if not, it's all good in the hood. I appreciate you staying with me to the end. If you did, your boy is out till tomorrow. Peace and stay safe.